So this is our SOX printer UP1200 model. And let me introduce. You will get 3 rollers free along with the printer. So when one roller is printing, another 2 you can just put on SOX and make continuously production for printing. And let's see here. When you receive the machine, the print head is not installed, because if we install print head before shipment, after long-term shipment, the print head may get damaged during the transportation. So you need to install the print head. And behind the machine, you can see this is the ink tank part. Normally we have 4 colors, like CMYK, KCMY, and 4 colors, big ink tank and the secondary ink tank. And normally you need to install this plate. You can see this is a metal plate holds the big ink tank, and then you need to connect the tube. Don't forget to insert the clip. So like when you not use the printer for for weeks, you can clip the ink tubes. And this ink tube goes to here, goes to this holes, and inside actually is the smaller tube. You can see this is bigger, right? This is bigger and this is smaller. Smaller ink tube insert should be in the secondary ink tank inside. You can insert into the small holes, so the ink will go to the front carriage. So this is the ink carriage part, ink tank part, big ink tank, secondary ink tank. Because we are doing some tests, so we just put the smaller ink tube in the bottles. Let me show you another normal. So normally you have 4 colors and a big ink tube, and inside you see a small ink tube. Each color has 2 tubes. It represents 2 print heads. So you have 4 and 4 and 4 tubes, and inside 8 2 small tubes. And about the ink system, so you open the right door, and normally there's a waste ink tank below, and you need to insert the waste ink tube insert. And when you install print head, you need to do cleaning, and the pump here will pump down the waste ink below the capping and into the waste ink tank. So it must be done before you install the printer. And this is Print EXP, print software. Okay, so this is like Ethernet cable, net cable connecting from here, back side. This one is the cable goes to the computer. Okay, so if we disconnect it, see what will happen. We see the left corner connection is red light. If we connect back, and we see green light. So means this software is controlling the printer. You can move, running, cleaning, nozzle status check, and then we can see goes all the way yeah. And X reset. Tube the printing roller to the print head surface if it's like same distance. You empty run the carriage to the right and then reset. X reset, and it will return to the capping station. And this is LED light. This is light. And this is power on button. Now it's turned on. You can also move the carriage left and right here. So moving can be controlled in the button and also in software. You can see the height. If this height is too up or too low, you can adjust this lifting system. Like this is locked. Unlock it, lose it, and then you turn it. So this is adjusted. Normally when we ship the machine, actually the tube is already, the roller already adjust the height. But you have to double check if the printing roller is in right distance for the nozzles. Okay, we can adjust X reset. And this button is for release the roller, and you can, each printing is done, you can take down the roller and put into the holder here. It should be installed here. The 2 screws installed here, you see, two. And take it down, replace another tube, and pull out socks, install another roller. So this button will press it and it releases the air compressor. This roller you can take it down. Like if this is a printed one, and you can put here and install another one with socks ready for print, and just press this one, and it's tight, firmly controlled by the air compressor. And when it's finished, and you just take it down. Normally 3 rollers like used for the printer. One is printing, another 2 is standing by here. Let's see the air compressor. This one is very small one. This small one. This is we use for one printer. Maybe we can connect 2, but at the moment we only use 1. This is the air tube. about the printhead installation, we have a special video made, and what we need to be attention is on the board. If you can see, it's right, up and down, up and down, down. You can see each insert it has up and down. Up means this is up, this is down, and inside also each printhead has 4 cables, 4 flat cables, and this is left up, left down. Inside is right up, right down, left up, left down, right up, right down. So totally 8 cables need to insert into this headboard part. And you can see if the cable is in right sequence, when you turn on the printer, you will see the lights, it's green. But if you misplug the head cables, then the light will show red. It needs to be very careful when you plug the cables. Don't make any mistakes. Don't make mistakes, else it will burn the print head. So this is head cable. And once the print head, once we test empty running the carriage to printing on the roller is okay, then we turn off the machine and then connect the cables to the board. And during installation of the flat cables, the machine must be power off. It's very important. And after everything is okay, and you turn on, check the green light, and there's zero on the headboard. It means okay. If it shows E, like E, means error, so the machine will have problem. But normally everything is okay. If the cable inserts right, it's green light, and it shows 0, everything is okay, and you can run, and you can draw the inks. Okay, about the ink damper. This is ink damper, right? You can see this 4 pieces on each printhead. This is called ink damper, and we have to soak down inks from damper and then insert into the printhead. Another way, if you use a syringe to soak down inks, it's manually doing the ink drawing. But if you can do the fill ink in system, here you can see this fill ink in this part. It says English version of here, so if we change language to English version, it's in advanced and like setting, advanced setting, and you can change English version. Okay. Now it's in English, and you can see setting, and you can see here is load ink, right? Load ink. You load the ink, and it will automatically drawing the ink. Like if you insert empty dampers here, let the software help you to draw the ink down. And stop. Need to stop. You can load ink for like 10 seconds and stop and do a clean do a clean normal. This is a clean. It's cleaning. When it's in motion and the button is like disabled. This is a wiper. Wiper will clean surface inks on nozzles. And we can do when it's able to run the software. We will do a check. Check means nozzle status check. This button.不是太好呀。We see the status is bad because this print head we have used like for 2 years and we use acid ink, so now the status isn't good enough. And we can do few cleaning and until you get the right nozzle status.
今天结课的已经装机已经装好了是吧？